Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use a function for multiple criteria. We have the student mark record. It includes the student ID, student name, class, English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, total, and result. Here we have result condition. If the total greater or equals 300, the student is pass. But if the total smaller than 300, the student is fail. Let us do it. Just click here, equal sign, if total greater or equal 300, comma, value if true, just double quotation, write pass, comma, value if false, if the total smaller than 300, it must show fail. So double quotation, write fail, close bracket, enter. You see, the total is 418 greater than 300, so it shows pass. Now double click here, it shows the result. For this one, it's 232, smaller than 300, so it shows fail. Now change its format to be in the center. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.